Traders. It's been a while since a crypto video. I left you with this exact same chart, calling this area as rejection area, and look what's happened. So we've got a lot to talk about. We have a lot to talk about. Yesterday was was it yesterday or was it Monday? The crypto day, Bitcoin day, whatever you want to call it. El Salvador has brought in Bitcoin as its currency, which is just the stupid. I don't know if I can believe it or not, but I think it's the most stupidest thing you could ever imagine. Why would you have an asset that is so volatile that can move 40-50% in a day as your currency? Imagine getting paid on a Friday and then by the Saturday you're down by 50%. It's stupid. It's just stupid. It's not sustainable. It will not work. It cannot work, and it will not work. So I don't know what's going on with there. I don't think that's the whole situation will last very, very long. But let's talk about this move. Let's talk about this move first. Let's talk about this move. Let's get on the daily list. Let's get all our lines in. Let's make it all nice. And yes, so this move here. We took our NFP move here. That got taken out completely. The same on most charts. Which suggests to me it's a dollar move and a risk move. So now the question is, where now? Is this the big dump we're going to see? We're going to go straight down from here? Well, it's hard to say. It's very, very hard to say. I'm still currently in the region where, well, sorry, let me get to the point. Yeah, I think it is. I think we've seen the top. The top has been seen. That's my personal opinion. I think we're going to go from here. We're going to reject of this support here. We're going to come back down, and of this support here, look at it. It's already rejected now. We're going to come back down to 40. We may have there'll be loads of buy orders on 40. I'm guessing loads of buy limits. I reckon it's going to just fall straight through to 90 and go straight through to 40 and potentially go straight down to 35. That's my personal view. I'll tell you why this is my personal view. Is because everybody still thinks this is a very big dip buy opportunity. And what I've been saying for weeks, months for months now, is the traditional markets look delicate. They want to roll over, and they have rolled over. Oil's rolled over. Dow is looking very delicate. S&P 500 is looking very delicate. Even the Nasdaq is looking like it's topping out. Emerging market is already topped out. ORD, GDP, all the high-yielding risk assets in either FX, commodities, stocks, wherever you want to look. In fact, let me just show you, because it's all going to be talking about. Let's just show you all. At the top here. Oh, sorry, what did I say? At the top here, it looks like we've almost had our second top here. It's odd. Pound looking very similar. Got a very toppy. Look at this head and shoulders, toppy pattern forming here. We could definitely see it rolling down to at least 133 at least. And there's a D looking exactly the same. Got another toppy little pattern here. Look at that. High lows, lower highs and higher lows every time. It's another toppy pattern looking here. S&P 500 is looking a little bit toppy here. Looking a little bit toppy. S&P 500 not so as much. Not as much. US 30, yeah, it's looking very delicate. Looks like it wants to break through this level sort of here. So that's not looking very good at all. That's the emerging market index. Topped out a while ago here, and it's the same thing as everything else. It's got lower highs and lower lows. Inflation actually peaked. Let me get this right. Inflation peaked, guys, back in July when everything else peaked. So, guys, we should be seeing a deflationary period now. Stagflation. That's what we should be seeing. A deflationary period, which means everything that's been inflated by money should be coming down. So every asset that's been inflated should be coming off, guys. Everything. There's oil, so I can show you oil. Oil's looking like it wants to roll over. It's all looking toppy. Every single thing is looking toppy, guys. So all the traditional markets are looking toppy. It's only right that Bitcoin, the highest yielding asset, will drop the hardest. It's only right. It's only right. And what I'm seeing now, I know we're seeing like a little rejection here on the daily, on both dailies. I'm not too convinced. We've got two scenarios here. Well, we've got two bearish scenarios here, if I'm correct. So obviously, I could be wrong. I'm got golden globe, but I'm very confident in my views. I'm very, very, very confident. And so I've been calling this for months as well. So first scenario is reject off the support level here and come down. The second is we can reject back off the 50 and then come back down. And they're both bearish scenarios. And the question is, where we go next? Well, let's play in the ranges first. I mean, the first range, as we can see, is from 50 to basically 40. So that's the first one. And obviously, I don't know. I can say it's more likely than not we will break straight through 40. Reason being is I can imagine there'll be a lot of buy sellers. Sorry, there'll be a lot of buy orders. Reason being is people still think this is the dip. People are still in belief that we're going to get to 100K this year, and I don't think it's going to happen. I don't think it is, guys. I don't think we're going to get to 100K. I think the top's in personally, as I've been saying. I mean, I don't think we're going to go into a full-blown bear market, no, because reason being is because I don't think traditional markets will go into a full-blown bear market because we're still going to see interest rates coming to, we're still going to see interest rates rising. We are still in a slightly boom cycle of the economy, guys, which you're going to see a bit of slowdown, really. And to be honest, King Dollar's back as well, which everyone is forgetting. I think King Dollar is going to be the most detrimental thing to all these currencies for a while. So I don't think we're going to go full-blown bear market for 4 years. No, I don't. I do not, to be completely honest. I just think we're going to see a big, big, big dip. And I don't know how long we are going to stay down for. But you must remember, guys, things are kind of coming back around. I mean, well, you say that. I mean, last week's NFP was an awful read. We got the jobs, there was another job seller report. I'm guessing that would be bad, which I'm guessing will not help this Bitcoin scenario out as well. So we are seeing macro data slowing, yes, in somewhat, but on the whole, we are still trending upward. But we are just in a slight period now of we had some good data in the last few months, and now we're sort of back to slowing down again. So this, all right. So basically. So this is what I'm looking at, guys. 40 is going to be the next real target. I don't think that'll be any problem whatsoever. I think the next target that might be slightly bit of an issue would be 35, and then after that we may see a bounce here, and then boom, back down to my beautiful 20 region, guys. Which I think personally is still the minimum. I still think we can get back down to these sort of 13 regions here, personally, guys. But yeah. This is what I'm seeing at the minute. This is what I'm seeing. Bitcoin looking very, very, very bearish. Let's look on the intraday sort of level. Let's look on the hour chart. Hour chart's looking nice, man. Look like it wants to roll over. Looking really nice. I'm still in a short actually for this. I was in a short when I pulled out when I sent it to my Discord channel that I pulled out 80% of my crypto because I can't remember when exactly that was. Can't remember. Well, I'm saying we're going to have a good run up for another 50% for ages, but I mean, oh, I can't find what I'm looking for, but I basically warned my group about a month ago. I warned them about I'm putting out 8% on my crypto, and it's not looking amazing. And take out any leverage longs, so I only got 20% running. It's a great idea, great idea. I think I caught XRP at the previous top, which was really, really good actually. But anyway, regardless, there's a lot of money on the sideline waiting for this baby to go down. And the short I took, I think it was around this kind of region here. So I've been in the drawdown for a while, but I think I'm back in profit. And I'm going to hold this back up, holding this bad boy, holding this back up. That's a leverage long, but it's quite small leverage long. So yeah, that should be interesting. It should be a good trade because I'm currently Currently drawdown if you include the spread and if you include the bloody the commission charge as well. But we're round about for break evens anyway. But yeah, guys, that's what I can see. That's what the market is telling me from a technical perspective. And this move, and from this big move here. I mean, guys, I could be wrong. This could be just a dirty liquidity grab for a nice move higher. I could be wrong, guys. I could be wrong. I'm all for being wrong. But just how the traditional market is looking, how the economy is looking, how the macro data is looking, how everything's sort of going on at the minute. I'm not really too convinced. So that's my view. And that's BTC for you right there. Let's have a look at some others. Let's have a look at the others. Ethereum. Oh, Ethereum took a nice hit. But Ethereum is sort of looking a little nicer. Sort of staying above this sort of level here. It's almost like a big leak. It looks more like a big liquidity grab on Ethereum. And the question is with Ethereum, really, if we can hold above here on the daily, it's got a very higher chance, a higher probability of staying up. But then at the same time, guys, we could still get that candle there. We could still get a bounce back into this sweet spot before falling back down. Don't forget, I'm looking at bearish scenarios here, by the way, guys. Because the last dump, it didn't quite get to levels what I would have liked to got to. It didn't quite touch 1.5, and I thought we could potentially touch 1K. So but Ethereum, I must say, is looking a lot nicer than Bitcoin. I must say, I must say, it's looking a lot nicer. So could Ethereum survive this? I don't think so, personally. I don't think so. To me, it looks like we're rejected off the resistance here, that we're going to go back down and die. I mean, look how much liquidity there is. Look at the big void of liquidity there. That's going to just, when that gets down here, that's just going to fall. If we do get here and it's bearish, guys, we are just going to fucking die. And it's going to be so quick, no one's going to have a chance to get in and get out. No one's going to have a chance. But yeah, Ethereum looking a little bit nicer, but listen, it's still the same pattern. It's still the same pattern. I'm still not convinced. I'm just trying to give it a little bit more fair point of view. I can't give all bearish scenarios, can I? So, but that's what I'm seeing. And I think this correlation with the crypto market and the US 10-year yields is sort of gone as well. So, yeah, I don't think this is coming back. Yeah, it's Ethereum. Still looking the same. Today will be quite an important day, actually. So today, definitely keep an eye on the crypto market, see what's going on. Yes, guys. Yes. Oh, this is looking lovely. I'm sorry. I know it's not good to watch crypto fall, guys, but I did say pull out. I did say pull out the majority of money because listen, listen. Even if you did pull out the highs, it doesn't matter. We can get into such a low level. Imagine getting down here with all your equity. Get down into one carriage with all your equity, rather than buying all your equity at 3K because you jumped in on the bandwagon last. Look at this whole move. It just looks fake. This whole move. Breakout, fake out, back down below. It just looks like it's just a fake move. And these big liquidity grab fake moves, they always end so badly. Always. I'm so confident in this move. I really am, guys. 20% to the upside at all-time highs. Do you know what I mean? It's fucking crazy. Almost similar to here. Look at it. That was almost like a slowing down, breakout, fake, back under and then it died again. So it's looking very similar to back in May, guys. When inflation topped out. You've got to remember, inflation topped out then. Let's look at all the other ones. Let's look at all the other ones. Look at Sol. from a favorite ecosystem, it's actually withheld the strongest. Look at Sol, solar power, mate. But the same as I think the others, I mean, it's held well. Yeah, it's held well. But I mean, the others, I mean, they're going to follow the others. So this is withstood the strongest, but the others are looking dangerous as well. So, but yes, Sol has withstood the best. So I mean, if you haven't taken any profit out, I suggest you take some out, especially for in Sol. I mean, I personally suggest if you want to really have to take any profit out, take some out. Even if you're wrong and it goes up, there's nothing wrong with taking profit. That's what a lot of people in this game just need to understand is taking profit. I mean, going for the moon every time, yeah, it will happen every now and again, but taking profit along the whole way ensures you are actually banking some of this profit you're taking. Because it's happened to me previously as well when I just wanted to make 1,000% gains. I mean, it does happen every now and again, but sometimes it's unrealistic, guys. You don't know when these bear markets come and you don't. So it's good to take some profit and then enter it again. Just be patient. Just be patient. Anyway, Sol is looking probably the best out of these ecosystems. Let's look at the rest of them. ADA. Oh, it is horrible. That's a big dive there. Big dive. As soon as it hit $3 as well, typical, absolutely typical. Look like it's rejected nicely here on the daily. The daily hasn't closed yet. Let's get a bit closer. If you get a bit closer, it's telling us the same story. Look at that. It's almost reaching the highs here. Get ready to drop again. Because it says same ADA. I was quite wrong. I thought ADA was going to die when I got this candle. I thought we're going to get down here and grab this liquidity level, but we didn't. We didn't get to the 0.6. I really thought we did the 0.6, 0.5 level. I was pretty convinced that but we went up, and I was wrong with that. But this move here, if this is this bearish encounter that I am predicting, we should finally get down and grab this big liquidity area here, and then that would be a beautiful long. Really, really good long that would be. Really good. The same story. It's rejected here, which is looking good, but on the hour, it's not really convinced me. Not convinced me. But on the daily, it's looking all right. But the daily has not finished yet. The day's barely started, so just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. ARK, then you guys in ARK. That's a bit of a old school coin. That one is. But ARK's looking so bad, terrible. Which compared to all-time high as well, looking really bad. It's definitely coming down. Definitely coming down. ARK's looking terrible. Atom, yeah. When we come back down to test this same level here, we could even come back down to test this 7 level, which I think is more likely if this is the bearish scenario I'm predicting. BNB, oh, it's looking awful. That's looking like it's one of the worst. That 142 level is definitely coming. 142 here. Wow. Looking treacherous. That is horrible price action. Horrible. Back. No, some of you in that. That's a bit of a pre-2017 coin, that is. Dash. Oh, God. Dash is looking disgraceful. This level could hold potentially not, but let's see. Could be helped, could be saved by this 200 region. Could be saved. I doubt it, but it could be saved. Dot took an absolute pummeling, but that's rejected quite nicely. Dot is actually. Dot's rejected nicely. Okay. Dot's looking. I mean, they're all looking similar, but some are looking a little bit better than the others. You know. EOS, never really got into EOS. That actually looks like it's done for what it does. Price action is horrendous. Here in BTC, now this looks bullish, man. Definitely. If you're going to buy any crypto, buy Ethereum against Bitcoin. Wouldn't buy any of them really, but if you're going to buy anything, definitely that. It's looking great. Looking really nice. been in this trade for ages. I got out of this trade now, but I was in and out of this trade for ages. Ages. Link. Not looking amazing. So we broke the highs there, grabbed a bit of liquidity before coming down. It still doesn't look amazing, looks pretty shit. Litecoin, mate, I don't know. Guys, it's all looking so go for all these coins, it's all looking very, very, very similar. All of it looking very, very similar. No point in going for them. All looking pretty similar. Oh, oops, go back into dump mode again. Yeah, it's looking like had a bit of deja vu here, guys. You know what I mean? XLM's looking fucking shit. Let's get a bit of XRP, I suppose. XRP, I mean, it's looking so bad. I mean, guys, it's looking bad, but this is the sort of thing you've got to keep a daily update on. Because to me, it looks like it was rejected here to come back down, but I could be wrong. It could come a bit higher, or it could reverse. So it's something you want to keep an eye on, guys. It really, really is. I mean, I've told you my opinion, told you what I think, but it's worth believing yourself, you know. But this is what I'm seeing. Everything's coming down. XRP come back down to 0.8 the minimum. I mean, really? Why can't 0.445? Why? Why not even 0.3? Why not? If we're going into a big boy bit now, where everything's selling off, gold, stocks, everything, it's no place for crypto. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that, guys. But I'm not going to go into any more. I've said my bit. Actually, no, sorry. Let's sorry. Let's have a look at the crypto total market cap because it's dying. It rejected off. It lost almost 0.4 trillion in a day. So put that into perspective, guys. It's falling off. Don't forget this market runs on liquidity, and if liquidity is being pulled out, guys, then it's got nowhere to go. It's got nowhere to go, guys. So hope you're taking this advice correctly. I hope you're going to do the correct things with this. And also, sorry, don't just do something because I'm telling you to do it. This is not financial advice whatsoever. I'm just giving you my opinion and for entertainment purposes. It's up to you what you do with your own money, guys. But yeah, it's Nathan here. Hope it's been helpful. Have a good day, guys. Have a good day. Sunny in England. Enjoy yourself. Don't leave all your money in crypto at the minute. Don't leave it all in there.